This video will walk you through the initial unboxing of your DWX 42W dental wet mill and help you verify that all parts and accessories are present. Cut the tape on the top of the box to open the box flaps. Review the instructions on the box flap to remove your DWX dental mill from the box successfully. Begin by removing each accessory box. Then, cardboard retainers, additional cardboard packaging, and finally, the box cover. Once the box has been removed, continue unpacking your DWX dental mill by removing the plastic and foam covering from the device. Remember to save all packing pieces, including the box. With assistance, lift your DWX mill from the box and place it in a level and stable location. Remove each strip of tape from the front and bottom cover. Open the front cover and remove the large foam retainer. Then, remove the small retainer located behind the rotary access unit and close the front cover. Open the bottom cover. Pull out the coolant tank tray and remove the cardboard retainer on the top of the coolant tank. Then, close the bottom cover. Your accessory boxes should contain a daily maintenance card, setup guide, software package, power cord, USB cable, regulator with 2 screws, air hose, 2 drain hoses, ATC magazine correction jig with 1 screw, rotary axis correction jig, detection pin, hexagonal screwdriver, a large storage case, 3 taper cleaners, collet replacement jig, milling burr removal jig, 2 nozzle cleaners, a collet brush, a collet tap, cloth for care, collet grease, small storage case, measuring cup, 2 coolant filters, a waste receptacle, and 4 dedicated milling burrs. Additional accessories necessary to operate your mill include distilled water, coolant additive, chelate agent, a 6mm polyurethane air hose, and a compressed air source.